Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping well. So today's look is inspired by Moonlight Sky, and I am going to show you how to create this look. There's a lot of glitter in it and it looks very sparkly, which I like. So I'm gonna show you how to create this look using the Morphe palette, which is this one. It's called 35V Stunning Vibes. And since it's my birthday, I thought it would be a nice treat to show you how to create this look and also to just create a fun look for my birthday. So yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day and I hope you're keeping well, even though we're all in lockdown. And just to let you know, I had a very beautiful day. I enjoyed my day and it was very, very good. So yeah, even though we're in lockdown, I managed to make the most of my birthday, which is really good. So I hope you're all well. Bye! So because I'm not sure whether this palette will have any fallout, I am going to first prime my eyelids, put foundation, and then put eyeshadow primer on and do the eyeshadow. Then I will do the rest of my makeup. What I'm going to do first is take this applicator brush, the eyeshadow applicator brush, and then apply a color onto my lid. So I'm going to do that now. So the first color that I'm going to go for is called Stud. So I'm going to apply that onto my lid, and that is this one right here. This is a very beautiful color. It's very dark and glittery, which is what I like. So what I'm doing is just patting that onto the eyelid. This just packs the color on better than smearing it. And also you don't lose a lot of the pigment and not as much fallout, which I'm quite impressed by actually. I was expecting this to have a lot of fallout. Okay, now that that's packed on, I'm going to take a color called Rendezvous, which is this sparkly color, and contour brush. And please excuse what's on my finger. I burnt myself when I was cooking last night. So I'm just going to take that and put it into the crease. Okay, I think I'm going to take another bright blue. I'm going to take Room for 2 and see if that gives me the effect I want. So that would be this one. Wow, that is a very beautiful looking blue. I like it already. Okay, so I'm going to do the same again as I did for this eye. So I'm going to take Rendezvous and Room for 2 and then put that into my crease. Wow, that's a really beautiful royal blue. So what we want to do is just blend this out as much as possible so it looks smooth. I'm going to take the color called Fling, which is this dark navy blue color, and just pat that onto the lid. slightly. And then I'm going to take a stud again and just pat that on. So I'm just applying this into my inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. So I'm going to take this color called Little Black Book and put that on the outer corner of my crease. Give it a little bit more smoky effect. Okay, and that's the eyes basically finished. Now I am going to do my face. So I am going to go in with primer, foundation, contouring, highlighting, blush, and then my eyebrows, and then I will go into the eyeliner, mascara, and false eyelashes, and then the look should be done. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed creating this look. So this is how the look turned out. So have a closer look. It has glitter in it, which looks amazing. The colors are very pigmented, which I'm very impressed with. And overall, I think that this palette is highly recommended and definitely one that I will be using in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I was happy to be able to record this for you on my birthday, even though I was quite busy doing other things. I had fun creating this look though, and I hope you enjoyed it too. I hope you have a lovely day. So until next time, bye!